Hello viewers. So we just going to learn about Indian planned economy. So we need to have an idea about when our land India started thinking about a planned economy. So there is a historical tracing. We need to have an idea about that one. So it was early in the 19th century. Nationalists like M.G. Ranade and Dadabhai Naoroji emphasized the role of state involvement in economic development. And people like N.R. Sarkar, the president of FICCI, mentioned that state needs to involve in direct participation in the production process through the public sector. And finally, in the year 1938, the Indian National Congress set up the National Planning Committee. So Nehru became the chairperson of the committee, and also this committee already approved the plan put forward by Indian capitalists. It is known as Bombay Plan. So these are the things we need to know about our land India when started to thinking about a planned economy. We already studied that India attempted to break its colonial structuring through planned economy development. So almost 200 years of autocratic rule by the British, Indian wealth and Indian economic system disrupted. India was able to move on its uncharted path by the fact that a consensus had emerged among all sections of political opinion that the economic development India going to choose must to be a compatible with a functioning democracy. The Gandhians, the socialists, the capitalists, as well as the communists, all more or less agreed on the Nehruvian consensus. So we need to know about what are the major agenda put forward by Indian planned economy. So following are the most important aspects about Indian planned economy. It put forward the concepts like self-reliance, rapid industrialization, import substitution, and also prevention of imperialist domination, land reforms, and there should be a growth to be attempted along with the equity, and this planned economy put forward positive discrimination, which later known as reservation. So these are the main important introductory part we need to have about thinking planned economy. So this is all I need to tell you about in this class, and we will have another session about the remaining things about planned economy. Thank you.